former times it was a little bit like this, that the respective departments of a utility company were working more or less independently from each other. So they're working on their own environment with their own business systems. Of course there were interfaces, but the department giving data away to others was not really willing to do so because they had no benefit. Now, in the times where we face all the challenges, for example, cost reduction and increasing the efficiency, especially the utility companies are facing the challenges of renewable energies. They all have to work together and they all have to see the same data, at least different views, but to use the same data. And they should understand that their data is crucial to support also the other business processes. So it is crucial for the whole company. So basically we have to say it's just one department. The network operator has a network, and this is a geospatial asset consisting of thousands or millions respective assets with all the details and so on. And it's not sufficient to have a network information system, a geospatial network information system completely separated from, for example, the financial system, the ERP system, the HR systems for the field crew, for example, the control center, for example. So it would be necessary to support all business processes with the geospatial data, for instance, view from the network information system, because this supports the efficiency of the business processes. If they had information about the geospatial information, about the topology, and for example the relation between different assets, it would be very important and would increase the efficiency for their respective business processes. Now they're working on their own. And this is, for example, for strategic plannings, for enhancements, extensions of the network, it is important to see the geospatial information. Some customers think that they really just put all the data together from all business systems in one big database, in one big warehouse, and let the users access to it. But this is ignoring completely that the respective business systems have special functionality. They are not only holding data in tables, but they are providing special business functions. For instance, the network information system, the topology, network traces, and as I said before, the relationship between different assets, for example, technical places and equipments, and so on. For example, the EAM could deliver all the preparation of the inspection and maintenance of the assets, and together with the NIS, with the network information system, it would be very useful to have the geospatial information and to have the relationship between the assets which are not necessarily available in the EAM. And so if we put it together, we have a smart geospatial asset management. The IoT, the Internet of Things, is a very good example because the network operators can put now a lot of sensors in substations, in pressure reducer stations and so on to measure the conditions of the assets. For example, the temperature, the pressure, the electric load on assets and so on. It's much cheaper than before, and the cost for the telecommunication is cheaper than before, so they can gather real-time data. And if we combine this with the network information system and the geospatial information system, or the geospatial information, we have a real digital twin. We had that before, but now it's combined with real-time data, and that means we have a digital twin and we can support the respective business processes like maintenance and inspection, like strategic plannings, in a much more efficient way.